Busan is also South Korea's second largest city, following Seoul. This destination draws visitors not only because of its picturesque natural landscape and abundance of shopping opportunities but also because of its abundantly delicious street food. So, what should you eat on the streets of Busan? Let's take a look at our top 5 must-try street foods in Busan. 1. Korean braised pig's trotters, Jogae-gui. When visiting Busan, you will be pleasantly surprised by the unique flavor of pork trotter, which is considered a specialty of Korea. Because the pork legs are stewed until soft with many spices such as soy sauce, ginger, garlic, scallions, and a little sugar, then thinly sliced. You must combine it with pickles to experience the overall sensation of sweetness and harmony without becoming bored. Wonju Busan Jogae-gui, near Jogae-gui Station, serves Busan pork leg. If you order Nangjae Jogae-gui instead of Jogae-gui, the waiter will give you more pickles. Furthermore, you can try this dish at any hawker you see and whenever you want. Price: 2,000 won per disc. Location: Jogae-gui Station Exit 7, go straight to the first intersection and turn left, go straight to the second intersection, via SC Bank, and turn left. You will see Wonju Busan Jogae-gui. 2. BBQ Pig Intestine, Gopchang. Gopchang is the general term for intestines, but when you order it in a restaurant, you usually order sochang, or small intestines. There are numerous well-known restaurants and franchises that sell Gochujang-gui, and the flavor varies depending on the marinade and whether it is cooked on a grill or not. In true barbecue fashion, you'll be seated at a round table with a grill in the center and served a dish of seasoned grilled intestines ready to cook. Onions, garlic, green onions, mushrooms, hot peppers, and various types of sauce are common Gopchang companions. Of course, the locals would enjoy it with some soju. Location: Munyeon Gopchang Alley. 3. Traditional Tukvoki. Spicy rice cake. Tukvoki is a traditional Korean dish derived from the Tteokjjima royal dish made of thinly sliced white rice cakes, meat, eggs, onions, and special seasonings served with sesame, Korean hot chili, and grilled. Most importantly, this sticky rice cake will be eaten with a traditional Korean spicy sauce, as well as eggs and other spices like onion and pepper. This spicy rice cake is unsophisticated and always loved by any type of customer due to its high nutrition. Today, this rice cake dish is becoming increasingly diverse. Aside from the main ingredients like meat, eggs, and bean sprouts, etc. It is also stir-fried with seafood such as squid, clams, and shrimp, which improves the dish's quality and taste. Price: 2,500 won. Location: food stores or street carts can be found on Busan streets. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. 4. Shellfish barbecue, Jogae-gui. Don't leave Busan without having tried Jogae-gui, grilled shellfish. You won't be disappointed when a server brings out a bucket full of shellfish mountains. A charcoal grill is set up on the table, just like in other Korean barbecues. The bucket contains a variety of shellfish, including mussels, shrimp, clams, conchas, and scallops. Grab a few and grill them, then top with ground cheese and diced onion. Grilling takes time, and you can only cook a few at a time. If you're feeling impatient, order some steamed shellfish or Jogae-gui. A massive metal basin is filled with layers of steamed seafood, including octopus, shrimp, oysters, clams, and corn cheese. Location: Cheongsapo Seafood Town has a row of shellfish grill restaurants. 5. Seed pancake, Siat Hotteok. Hotteok is a sweet Korean-style pancake with caramelized brown sugar, peanut bits, and cinnamon powder. It is a popular winter snack that can be found on the streets of Korea. Although I always end up spilling sticky syrup all over my jacket and hands, it is worth this sweet treat. While hotteok can be found throughout Korea, Siat Hotteok is unique to Busan. Inside the pita-like pancake is a pocketful of seeds, most commonly peanuts, almonds, sunflower, and pumpkin seeds. As a result, Busan's version is much larger, thicker, and crunchier than the traditional kind, but less sweet. Location: Seomyeong Food Alley. Busan is a city that can only be fully comprehended with the heart. The vibrant beaches and delectable seafood. Crowded markets, painted village streets, and wonderful cultural attractions. You will not be bored in a city that never sleeps. If you like our content so far, do subscribe and like our channel. More videos you can watch are in the right corner above. Thanks for watching.